So what are prepositions? A preposition is an important part of the English language. It is used to show the relationship between the noun or pronoun in a sentence and another word in a sentence. So now, why do we use prepositions? Well, they explain the relationship of space, sequence, and logic between the object of the sentence and the rest of the sentence. They help us understand order, time connections, and positions. So, how can we identify prepositions in a sentence? Well, a preposition must always be followed by a noun or a pronoun. It can never be followed by a verb. So let's take a look at two examples. She never leaves without her phone. So without being the preposition, her being the pronoun. Let's take a look at another one. The food was placed on the table. On being the preposition and the table being the noun. So prepositions are words that show relationship. A sentence wouldn't make sense without the use of prepositions. There are different types of prepositions used in the English language that not only add detail but make the sentence complete. So, what are the types of prepositions? Prepositions are used to show time, place, direction or movement, manner, agent or instruction, source, and possession. So now let's take a look at some examples of each of the types of prepositions. So let's look at the 8 types of prepositions. Number 1, prepositions of time. These prepositions can be used in the following ways. On Thursday, in the 1920s, at dinner time. Number 2, prepositions of place. These can be used in the following ways. The phone is on. The cat is under. The chair is next to. 3, prepositions of movement. We can use them in the following ways. Turn left at. She walks to. She runs along the. 4, prepositions of manner. We can use them in sentences such as she walks to school on. She goes to work in a. Carry the glass with care. 5, prepositions of agent or instrument. The book was written by. This is an example of a preposition of agent. She cuts the paper with a. This is an example of prepositions of instrument. 6, prepositions of measure. Now we can use these prepositions in the following sentences. They sell fabric by the meter. Most of the town was damaged. 7, prepositions of source. We can use these prepositions in the following ways. I drew the cash from. Out of respect. And 8, prepositions of possession. We can use these prepositions in the following ways. That shirt belongs to. The computer is the property of. I saw a frog with green eyes. So I hope this vlog has been helpful for you and gave you a bit of a clearer understanding of prepositions and the types of prepositions. I'll see you in the next one.